Hi guys, so we all know the pain of trying to wash a dark coloured vehicle if you live in a hard water area or where the sun's just got the better of you and you've ended up with watermarks or water spots. So we've come out with a brand new product. So we've got a heavy duty water spot remover and mineral neutraliser gel. So come with me and we'll show you how it works.
Our heavy duty water spot remover instantly removes watermarks from multiple surfaces. Its advanced gel formula quickly and easily neutralises watermarks and mineral deposits, leaving a spotless finish. The mildly acidic formula allows for rapid removal without resorting to the need for abrasive compounds or polishes. Firstly, clean the vehicle to remove any loose dirt or debris, then simply work the heavy duty water spot remover into the affected area using a microfiber applicator. Buff away any remaining residue using a microfiber towel. Then neutralise the gel by rinsing with water or cleaning the area with a suitable quick detailer. Please ensure that you follow this up with a fresh coat of sealant or wax to help protect against future water spot contamination.
So, heavy duty water spot remover, a quick and easy way to remove those troublesome water spots or mineral deposits. So thanks for watching guys, and we'll see you with the next product.
For more information, please visit our website or come and see us in store. If you have enjoyed this video, please leave us a like and subscribe and let us know down in the comments what you would like to see in our next video.